Even those who are sitting at home, they're only able to protect themselves physically, but they're not able to protect themselves from the vibrations. So we need that high energy aura right now. We need to raise our energy field. If all of us together raise our energy field, first, we are emotionally protected. Second, we are mentally protected. Third, that has an impact on our body. And fourth, most important, your high energy vibrations have a direct impact on your nurses, on your junior doctors, and it has a direct impact on the patients, whether it is COVID patients or any other patient walking into the hospital. These are not the times where if you say to somebody, daro mat, sab theek ho jayega, don't worry, everything will be fine. Words are not healing people. Words are not able to change the state of mind of people. But if you are here calm, which means you're vibrating at a higher frequency, and the person that you are meeting is stressed and anxious, but if you're at a higher energy, then the lower energy doesn't flow up, but the higher energy flows towards the lower energy and pulls that person up. So if you really want to motivate your people, energize them, protect them, empower them, words are not needed right now because words will not be able to do it, but our own energy field, which means our vibration. And our vibrations will create a soothing and calming effect on people. People will be in your energy space and they will get a feeling inside. It's difficult, but I'm sure everything is going to be okay. I'm 100% sure we're going to come out of this fine because that's a vibration that they will catch, they will consume that vibration from your energy field. So this is a very important responsibility every healer will need to play. And of course, with all the patients who are coming in, can't expect them to be coming in with the most positive state of mind. Even if they're coming to a hospital for some other ailment, there's so much anxiety about going to a hospital right now. So we cannot give them an assurance and say, oh, don't worry, you're protected, you're sanitized. There's too much doubt and fear here. So we just need to raise our vibrations, then the vibrations of our team, then the vibrations of our hospital. People walking in, the higher vibration will influence them and they will start feeling better before they actually start their treatment. So really it's the need of the hour to look at that aspect of life which we are ignoring completely because we are saying fear and anxiety is normal. Fear and anxiety is not normal. Fear and anxiety is a choice. It's a response that we are creating to the crisis outside. In the same crisis, different people create different responses. And it's not about COVID, it's always about life. Look at one situation which comes to a family of 4 people. One situation which comes to a family of 4 people. One family member will say, kitni badi baat thi, which means it was such a big problem. Another one will say, choti si baat thi. Yeah, it was a little issue. Third one will say, kaun si baat thi? Ye to normal baat thi, which means that's okay. That's a part of life. 4 people in a family, same situation, respond differently to the situation depending on how they are creating their thoughts here, which means situations do not create our thoughts. Crisis does not create our fear. Our fear is our choice. And we have the power to choose something different. We have the power to shift from fear to faith. We have the power to shift from stress to calm. We have the power to shift from insecurity to confidence and certainty of everything being perfect very soon. What we think, we will create. What we create, we will radiate. And what we radiate will manifest. In Hindi, it's a very beautiful line. Sankalp se siddhi. Thoughts manifest. Sankalp se srishti. The world is created from our thoughts. Most of us have read the book Secret. We know about the law of attraction. Many of us have experimented with it, and many have seen the result of it. that thoughts manifest. संकल्प से सिद्धि होती है, संकल्प से सृष्टि बनती है. If thoughts create my world, thoughts create my destiny and the destiny of the world, then what will happen when for 2 months, 3 months, the world together is creating low vibration thoughts? COVID will be a closed chapter after a few months. But the impact the fear and anxiety is creating on the minds of people might not finish off in a couple of months. And what is happening in their minds is also affecting their bodies. It's affecting their relationships. There has been a drastic rise in mental health issues in India, what I know of, in the last 1 month. 20% rise in depression and mental health cases in 1 month. High rise in domestic violence, child abuse in 1 month. This is a sign of weak emotional health. So let's start taking this mantra that Sankalp se Siddhi, my thoughts manifest. Sankalp se Srishti, my thoughts create my world. And just take charge that from today, I will not create those normal thoughts and words which the world believes is normal, because that's not normal. Crisis means I need to create better thoughts than what I was creating even before, higher energy thoughts. Now, to start creating high energy thoughts, what should I do on a daily basis? Simple. For some time, please do not consume information coming from media. We've heard and read and watched media quite a bit in the last 1 month. Like Dr. Sibyl just shared, the number of WhatsApp messages, and in every hour was some million, and half of them are related to COVID. If somebody keeps watching, reading, listening, it's the truth. It is the truth. But if I keep watching, reading, listening, content which gives me fear and anxiety, then it will be difficult to be calm over here. As healers, you only need information which is medical. But we do not need information about statistics, how much it's spreading, what happened in this country, which city has it reached. Not really. Because your responsibility as a healer is to keep your vibrations very high and take care of only those people who are in your region, your territory where you are there. By consuming information of the world, you're only lowering your vibration and not going to your hospital in the best of energy, which is needed for healing.